que arde tu piel, soy el agua que mata tu sed, el castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal, tú el aire que respiro yo y la luz de la luna en el mar, la garganta que ansío mojar, que temo ahogar, te amo igual. Este celo me va.
Hey guys, I'm back to my project. Sadly, I do not have plenty time to work with my project car because I'm working to another country. For this holiday, the goal was get the technical inspection. First of all, it was needed to clean the car. It was really mess. Of course, it's needed some body repair, but for now I'm gonna just do the side skirts. For the bodywork I'm gonna leave for the summer probably. For the front shock absorbers I will use stock cheap ones, very cheap ones, new Magnum shocks, only for winter period, but still I'm gonna use the air lowering springs for fifth year. I'm searching for sport shocks absorbers. And we cannot forget the engine bay. It's needed repair, some wirings, reinstall all the hoses, pipes, air filters, and of course double check everything. After this repair, I went to the rear end. The situation was catastrophic, almost impossible to unscrew bolts. Someone once was needed to cut out. Calipers condition same, it seemed it wasn't working properly for a long time. I'm starting from a handbrake cable because one is definitely stuck and other is broken. After a long time of unbolting, I start restoring calipers. Also used new hoses. For there, I will use the same as front brake disc and pads, like and at front it's gonna be the attack brake pads and discs. With this came on new bearings. I left just few days of holidays, not much time left before technical inspection, but whereas I find surprise after bleeding the rear calipers. One caliper is impossible to bleed and handbrake doesn't work at same caliper. To another one, after using handbrake it's stuck in. Yeah, so technical inspection of all was an achievement. And how perfect end the holidays. Some of my friends gave their cars just the feeling of drifting at the winter.